Oh, here we go. I'm shocked right now. अब सही लग रहा है. Hello everyone, I am the test rider. I've already taken the test ride of the Triumph Scrambler 400X 2026 variant. Now these 400s are coming with 349cc engines instead of 398cc engines. That's that. So you can watch my ride reaction of this model in this video. Welcome back to the channel. Let's go. बढ़िया बढ़िया. Oh, thank you guys. Test ride ले रहे हो? Let's go. Oh, let's go. Here we go. Let's go. Here we go. Going to take the test ride of the Scrambler 400X. Let's put it in neutral right now. Wow. Oh, this is how you should step foot on a scrambler or an adventure. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, इसमें तो मज़ा ही आ रहा है, अलग ही मज़ा आ रहा है. Oh wow, the brake feels spongy. Somehow the power is the lower cc engine. I think इसमें पावर कम महसूस हो रहा है. स्पीड में इतना महसूस नहीं हो रहा था. But somehow this bike feels lighter than speed. Oh, the brakes are spongy. हो मज़ा तो आ रहा है काफ़ी. This bike has a higher seat height. I haven't read the manual or the specification. I'm tiptoeing on both sides. I'm 5'8" tall. Still, if you wear a boot, you can easily ride this bike. अब सही लग रहा है. ओह, इसमें पेट्रोल तो होगा ना? आई थिंक कैसा लग रहा है आपको? लोग तो देखते ही है. 349cc में स्क्रैम्बलर में पावर कम लग रहा है. Oh, turning. I can see that I'm not able to cut through traffic on this bike just like the Speed 400. Let me see if I can do that. ओह, इसमें भी काफ़ी मज़ा तो आ रहा है. काफ़ी हल्का लग रहा है. I've ridden this bike before with the 398cc engine, and that felt a little bit intimidating to me because of the power. But now it feels very light and feels like it can be controlled. ये कैसा हॉर्न है? हॉर्न डिसअपॉइंटेड मी अ लिटिल बिट। मुझे पता नहीं इसमें कितना पेट्रोल बाकी है। इट्स शोइंग नन एंड द पेट्रोल साइन इज अपीयरिंग। ऐसा फील हो रहा है कि दिस बाइक इज़ अ लॉट मोर कंट्रोलेबल दैन द स्पीड 400 because of the less power. Speed felt like it wants to lunge forward like a crazy animal. This isn't like that. Oh, smoothness भी काफ़ी है इसमें। Let's take it out on the open road. Then we will see how powerful this bike is. Oh, it is also a powerful machine, just like the Speed. Let's go. Oh. Oh, I can cut through traffic with this bike also, but it feels a little bit big to cut through traffic easily compared to the Speed. Wow. This also has a crazy amount of power. Rear brakes are also spongy. The front brake is also spongy. भाई साहब कितना ट्रैफिक है। आई थिंक दिस हीट्स मोर दैन द स्पीड। मुझे हीट फील हो रही है ऑन बोथ ऑफ माई लेग्स। I don't know how much this costs. I will put it on the screen. हाँ सही में हीट फील हो रहा है मुझे on both of my legs. In this stop and go traffic, you will really feel the heat from the engine. The fit and finish, the paint quality and everything else feels very good. Let's go through the menus. Trip 2, trip 1 kilometer, 27 kmpl दिखा रहा अभी। Traction control, off-road mode, kilometers 1013 kilometers per done. Okay, let's go. Now I think we will be able to explore the power of this machine a little bit. Oh, here we go. Wow, this also feels very powerful right now. मुझे लगता है कि मुझे लगता है कि ओह, मैं बोल भी नहीं पा रहा। मुझे मुझे लगता है कि these bikes are really good. Even though they have cut the engine capacity, still these bikes are really good. The Speed 400 and the Scrambler 400X both are really good bikes. Ho ho ho! थोड़ा पीछे ले लेते हैं। I'm feeling really confident on both of these bikes, especially on this one. Let's take a U-turn. I need to be careful because the brakes are spongy, not sure-footed. बट इसमें जो स्मूथनेस मिल रहा है वो स्पीड में नहीं मिल रहा था। ये बाइक काफ़ी स्मूथ है कंपेयर टू द स्पीड। ओनली थिंग दैट you need to be in the proper gear to feel the smoothness. That's a normal thing. The little undulations, the road doesn't affect me at all because this is a scrambler. वाह, मज़ा आ रहा है काफ़ी। I hope the exhaust sound is also audible enough. इसका exhaust sound भी काफ़ी मज़ा आ रहा है सुन के। वाओ वाओ वाओ, मैं कुछ बोल नहीं पा रहा। I'm shocked right now. Now I understand one thing. Speed 400 is like a crazy beast that is ready to lunge forward at all times. Even though it is a 350cc engine, it still has that power at all times. And this one, I think this one only gives you that power when you need it. It's not like Speed 400. This has a different character in it. The gear shifts are also very smooth. The weight management in this bike is also really good because I can, oh, the only thing that is breaking my confidence are the brakes. The brakes are spongy. I think these brakes are good for off-road but not for the city. You need to change the brake pads, put the same exact Speed 400 brake pads in it, and then you will be good to go. ये जो ब्रेक है ना, श्योर फुटेड नहीं है, स्पॉन्जी है, थोड़ा लेट लगता है इसका ब्रेक, ऐसा फील हो रहा है। Triumph, why rebadge this bike from Scrambler 400X to Scrambler 350X? That would be appropriate. वो बेस्ट रहेगा, क्योंकि 350 सीसी में जो है इतना पावरफुल बाइक्स यू कांट फाइंड एनीवेयर. Scrambler, yeah, I like this. Even though it has linear power in the lower RPM, this feels very smooth. Maybe that's the reason it feels really smooth. I need to use engine braking also. I can't depend on these spongy brakes. Now this bike has come alive. I think above 4000 RPM this bike will come alive. Anyways, I'm about to reach the Triumph showroom right now, taking a U-turn from here. Here we go. ओह, आपको नोट करना था. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.